Hi, I'm Stuart Gibson, founder and MD of Acorn Business Finance. We are a boutique commercial finance brokerage based here in Cheltenham, helping businesses with their growth and cash flow needs. Predominantly that would mean business loans and asset finance solutions, and that's in four main sectors, so legal, accountancy, insurance broking, and haulage and transportation. We built a tight-knit team and a really strong client base over the years. I'm really proud of what the whole team have built in this 9 years of trading. We use Salesforce as our main CRM system. This allows us to keep in touch with customers effectively, schedule our marketing around this, but the main way we use Salesforce is to keep our clients' data secure and easy to access for creating proposals for funders and getting deals out quickly. Salesforce provides us with real-time data. We've also linked in DocuSign, Outlook, so we can communicate internally within Salesforce rather than reams of emails back into. We're able to keep our communication tight within the CRM system. And DocuSign also links in through an API, which allows us to send quotes out to clients effectively and have those quotes stored within Salesforce. We decided to work with Performa not only because they're local to us, but also because they're experts in Salesforce. We checked with Salesforce on their thoughts around Performa, and the reports that we got back were exceptional. So having a local firm that could come in, speak to us, and really understand our vision was crucial. And it wasn't just the start of the journey that continued throughout the process. They made sure that we were happy with each stage of the process before moving on to the next one, and they delivered what they promised. So yeah, a great company to work with. So we needed two systems, one for our clients to log in securely and attach their sensitive information, bank statements, accounts, directors' details, for one aspect of the system, and then the second aspect was for the introducer portal. So they would be partners of Acorn, accountants that like to introduce their clients for funding, and they would also need a secure system to introduce their clients, be able to track where those deals are up to in the process, and if we had been paying an introducer fee, any commissions that are owed to them as well. So it was vital that we were able to differentiate between the two systems depending on who was using it. So the challenges that we were addressing, as with any development, there are always bumps in the road. I think the main one was that we were trying to build two systems into one Salesforce org. So there were maybe fields that didn't quite map correctly from both systems into the main Salesforce org. So this took a little bit of tweaking, but over the course of probably a month or so, we were able to work out these differences in a sandbox environment and then roll that out into the real world CRM system. We have seen remarkable results, both from a management information perspective. Data analysis has improved remarkably. We're able to see when deals are coming up for renewal, when these deals are maturing, so we're able to act accordingly and be in touch with our clients at the relevant times. But more importantly, we've seen our business grow 3 times since implementing Salesforce into our business structure. Salesforce has definitely allowed us to grow the team enough, but without getting too big that we've got a high level of fixed costs. We prefer the power that tech can provide to our business and allow us to scale without, again, a huge number of employees. Performa have really helped us not just build our system, but also with the aftercare. And as our business has evolved, so has the support from Performa. So I'd say, they're not just going to be there to build your system. They're going to be there for the long term as a long-term business partner. I would recommend Performa's support services, mainly because they've delivered what they said they would. They've not promised what they can't deliver. Their speed of service has always been on point. It's cost effective, and they know our business. They've helped us build this system from start to finish, so they understand what we need straight away. So I'd recommend Performa as a Salesforce partner because they know Salesforce first and foremost. They've introduced us to Salesforce and shown us the remarkable difference it's made to our business. They're there not just on the main project, but they're going to be your business partner ongoing. And as with any business, there's evolution. Our CRM system definitely needed tweaks as we grew and evolved. They're a proper business partner that you can rely on.